Good morning, hello, good morning. Is anybody on this party line that I can talk to? Today's Saturday, y'all. Today is Saturday. And I'm trying to get Mother's, look at this little old Mr. Coffee 4-cup. I have got nice coffee pots and everything imaginable. And she continues to use this little baby coffee pot. But that's okay. If that's what Mama wants, that's fine. I don't drink coffee very often. So, I got her coffee all put together, got the hot water out of the dispenser, put it in the little coffee maker and turned it on, went about my business, and I still no coffee. I thought, well, I guess I didn't put the filter in there and I didn't hear it gurgling, so I redid everything 2 different times. Well, to make a long story short, y'all know what it was? I'll tell you, I hadn't turned it on. You know, it helps when you turn on a button. Just so you know that I'm not totally lost it, I have a receptacle that has a short circuit thing on it. It's not the coffee pot wasn't turned on, but of course the red light would have been there, but it was in the wall. It's really not, it's a Amazon plug that you can, if you forget your coffee pot at home, when you get on the road, you can look on your phone to see if you've turned that receptacle off with the little phone. So that's what I hadn't turned off or on, was the wall plug, to make sure it has that fail-safe method, so y'all wouldn't think I was totally crazy today. But today, now, it's perking them on. If you hear it in the background, the growling and the gurgling and everything, don't think nothing. It's that darn coffee pot. But she likes it, so there's nothing I can do about it. See, here's remember my linen napkin that I use for my pot cover? I wash it. When I wash my dishes, I wash them in the soapy water, then I hang them on a little towel drying rack, and then they're ready for me to use when I cook something. Of course, I put my lid, fold these up, not on the skillet, but, and that'll keep that condensation from going all over my stove. For those that didn't get to see it last night, that wasn't lucky enough to see me last night. I hope y'all are having a good morning. It's going to be hot. It's going to be hot. So today we're going to make a couple things for just this morning. Y'all hear that coffee pot in the background? It's gurgling and bubbling. Reminds me of a monster, Herman Monster. That's what we'll start calling that coffee pot. He just growls and grunts, but he does put out a good cup of coffee, y'all. That's what Mama says. I drink coffee sometimes, but not very often. Okay, I've got my little bowl here. I'm gonna cut this off for just a minute till that Herman decides to close his mouth and quit making all that noise. Now he's gotten quiet, I guess. Let me see. Herman, are you through making all that noise? I guess you are. See, there's that little pot, and she just likes it with a little of that old powdered cream in it. And that's Mama's coffee. That's the way Mama likes her coffee. So that's what we give Mama, her coffee. Okay, let me give her a bowl. I always crack my eggs. These are farm fresh eggs out of the chicken house. And you never know, so I always crack them in a bowl. Just so that you never know if that old chicken was what she is up to. They're a lot oranger and prettier. They're the best eggs. But see, all those come out beautiful. Those are beautiful. Those are beautiful. And I got a little piece of a shell in there.